Hey guys, welcome to our channel Learn Coding Mars. In this video, we'll learn about printf and scanf functions in C programming, that is input and output functions. So let's get begin. I have already created a project in the code blocks. If you don't know how to create a project, then I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and watch that to create a project. So today video we'll learn about printf and scanf functions, and in last video we learned about variables in C programming. So to recap that, how to create a variable is that you should use a data type like int, float or char something, and the variable name. The variable name can be var. This is a variable name. Now var can contain a value of an integer. Var can hold a value of an integer. So you can create like this. You can create a float variable also. Float number. Now the number variable will hold a floating point value. If you want to see the full video, I'll provide you the link in the description below. After seeing this video, you can go and watch that. So I'll go to the website learncodingmass.blogspot.com. I'll provide you the link of this article in the description. You can read it after this video. So we'll see what is input and output function in C. Okay, so we use scanf function for taking an input from the user, and we use printf function to print the output on the screen. The standard library stdio.h contains the input and output functions printf and scanf. What does this mean? We'll go to code blocks. See, we have included a header file, that is #include stdio.h. This header file contains the input and output function, that is printf and scanf function. So we'll learn about the printf function. The syntax of printf function is printf. You should write the printf. This is the reserved keyword in C. Printf. After that, you should specify the format, like you should write format specifier and the argument list if you want to print any variable. So let's go to the code blocks app. I'll comment this out. Okay, so printf, and within the double quotes you can print any string. That is, I'll first print hello world. Okay, I'll save it and I'll run. Click on this build and run button and click. So it will run and it has printed hello world. So this is a printf function. It is used to print a particular value on the screen, on the display. Okay, so we'll print after this some other statements. Printf, that is, I'll print welcome to Learn Coding Mars YouTube channel. Okay, and at the end, don't forget the semicolon or else it will give an error. So save the code and click on build and run. So it will print hello world, welcome to Learn Coding Mars YouTube channel. But why is it printing after the hello world only, without any space or without any new line? So we'll see that how to fix this. So what you should do, if you want to print with a space, just add a space. Simple, that's it. So save it and build and run again. So you can see a screen. But to print on the next line, we have something called as escape characters. That is, you should give \n. You should provide backslash n. This means new line. Go to the new line and print this. Okay, so we'll run and see this how it will print. So there we go, we got the output. Hello world, welcome to Learn Coding Mass YouTube channel. Okay, now we'll see what are the scanf functions. So in the article they have provided examples. You can go through this after the video, and the source code I'll provide you in the link in the description. So the syntax of scanf is scanf format specifier argument list. So scanf is used to scan that is take input from the user. So we'll see how scanf works. Scanf also is included in the stdio.h header file. So I'll comment this. After that I'll write scanf function. So for scanf function, first we'll take a variable of integer, that is int var, and we'll write a scanf function scanf. So I'll provide percentage d. Percentage d is a format specifier. For integer, percentage d is used, and for floating point, percentage f is used. In the data types we have provided, I'll provide you the link in the description below of the link of the article. You can go through the format specifier, and after that format specifier, after you should provide a comma, then you should give ampersand var, that is ampersand var, then semicolon. That is ampersand is the address of operator. It will store the value in the address of the var variable. Okay, so we'll run and see what will happen. Okay, build and run. So it is giving us option to write give input. So I'll provide 11. So nothing happens. Why? Because we are not printing that value. To print that value, first we'll make this program a little bit interactive. That is printf. First I'll display to the user, that is enter a number. Okay, I'll provide this message to the user, enter the number. After that he will enter the number. Then I'll printf within the quotes the number entered is percentage d. That this is a format specifier because we want to print the integer value. Then after that you should provide the name of the variable, that is our variable name is var. So save the program and run. So it is now showing enter a number. So I'll give 999. Okay, the number entered is 999. So we got our output. The entered number is 999. Okay, so now we'll write another code. So I'll comment this out. Another simple program we'll write. We'll take a value, floating point value, and we'll display it. Okay, printf. First I'll create a variable, that is float a. I will initialize this variable value of 6.6. Okay, then I'll first print the value printf, then percentage, that is the value is colon percentage f. We use percentage f format specifier for floating point values, then a. Okay, first I'll show you what this prints. Run, then it shows the value is 6.66. So the variable values we can change, therefore the name variable is given to that is it can vary. Okay, so then I'll print another statement, printf, that is enter a decimal value to be displayed on the Okay, now I'll write a scanf to take the input from the user. Scanf, then quotes, percentage f, then address of operator to store the value in the variable a. After that, we will print the value after changing that. First, we'll give it a new line character, then we'll print f that statement printf, that is the value is again percentage f format specifier and then variable name, that is variable name is so you can pause this video here and you can comment down like what it will print. Okay, let's run and see now. Run. So first it will print the value is 6.660. The floating point variable prints 6 numbers after the decimal, that is 6 numbers. Okay, enter the decimal value to be displayed on the screen. So I'll write 11.23. Okay, now the value it is showing is 11.23, again 6 zeros. You can see 6 numbers, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, that's it. But here the you cannot enter the number, like for example I'll comment this, I'll show you, like you cannot give a floating point value to an integer variable. What does I mean? First we'll print f. First I'll define a variable b, some variable name, random variable name, then I'll write printf, enter number. Okay, after that I'll take the input from the user, that is percentage d ampersand b and semicolon. I'll print the value. Okay, the value is percentage d, then b. Okay, you can pause the video and comment like what it will print. If I give the value as 5.5, what it will print. Okay, so I'll run, enter the number. So I'll give 5.5. The value is 5 because it does not take the value. If I give 5.9 also, it will print 5. I'll show you that also. So run it again. So I'll give this time 6.9, so it will print 6. So yes, there we get 6. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe for more videos. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you and bye bye.